Gold has rallied approximately 19% year to date, far outpacing both the S&P and the Nasdaq. Now, historically, presidential election years have little impact on the price of gold, but this time it feels quite a bit different. Elections in the US and abroad seem to have become increasingly emotional and contentious, while at the same time, geopolitical threats continue to rise. Of course, the primary function of gold in tumultuous times is as a safe haven store of value, but there's more to it this time. Since the US imposed massive financial sanctions on Russia in the wake of the Ukrainian invasion, many of the BRIC countries and the countries who view the US less favorably have begun to de-dollarize in an attempt to replace the dollar as the world's reserve currency. Now, most currency analysts believe that any radical change of the reserve status is decades away, but there's been a noticeable change in some central bank storing of the reserves. In decades past, as high as 70% of reserves were held in the US dollar, and that number is now around 58%. Those same central banks have been stockpiling gold at levels not seen in over 75 years. The strength of gold seems to be a combination of growing global fears combined with the reflection of weak global currency policies.